Stop! You see him? Work your way around. I'll cover you.
Thank God you're alive.
Where are the others?
Luke has been shot. Have you seen Cesare?
I've seen no one. That fucker
You
has me
and
pinned
your
down
friend
by
are
the
dead!
Mafia. You need to clear him out. Go kill that freaking putana.
Empty! Reloading! Just a matter of time, Minjuni.
Shit! More of them! I've got you covered!
Look out! Sniper!
I got him!
Just for you!
Brutes! Finish this!
There you go!
Stand on you, God!
Leon! Where's Enzo? Luca! Madonnuzza!
Where's Cesare? The car?
Leon, this is your father's place. How do we get out?
See, there is a side exit. Through here. Maybe it's clear.
Leo, your grandfather.
I know you wouldn't have left him behind.
Dorisi! He's here! Take him out! Push him out! Camina! Right cover!
Putana!
We've got them cornered! They're going nowhere!
Bring him down!
You want to die here? Enzo!
Dorisi!
Smoke the butanazza out!
Down! Grenade! Get down!
Granata!
Take cover!
You want to die here?
Time to move, Asheda! We've got them cornered! They're going nowhere!
Get these bastards!
Stand on you, God!
I'm reloading! Cesare! Grazie a Dio! Everyone with me! We're getting out of here! Turn him around.
Easy. You want to finish the job?
Okay.
Where to? Porto Almaro. Pull up in the bar.
They'll follow. Get back there. Don't let them get loose.
How is he?
He's a warrior! He suffered worse! You just get us out of here in one piece! Hands up! That's more of them on our tail!
I'm on it!
Ferraro sent everyone others. Fuckers will pay for what he did to my grandfather!
Nicolo! L'hanno ammazzati! O il peorai!
This goes back. Valentina. The boys.
Look after them yourself. You're going to be fine.
Keep them off, Asenzo! Fucking girl!
Christ then!
Want to get there comfortable or alive?
Damn it! What happened to the road?
Hold it together. We're almost out.
One of them on us!
We're nearly there. Get you inside. Get it up.
Yes.
Forza.
Piano. I have him. Come on.
Nobody makes it inside this bar. Capiste?
We'll take care of it. Get them inside. Come on.
They're not giving up! They came all the way here! And they're regretting! Don't leave a single one alive! How many of these fottuti bastardi are there? Stay on them! No more wait! Get him out of there! I'm out! That's the last of them. For now. Let's get inside. Open up! They're gone. Luca!
Here, hold this. Put pressure on it. There's morphine upstairs. The girls will show you.
Where is the doctor?
He's coming. You'll be alright, okay? You're alright. Resisti, Luca. Tranquillo.
God, forgive me. It's look at me. Get up. If you can. Get up.
Luca. 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 I've got it. Luca, svegliati! Who is it?
Enrico, open up.
What do you want?
The Don needs to see you.
About what?
That's between you and him. I'm just the messenger.
You go on ahead. I'll get my things.
We'll be outside. Hurry up, will you?
What is all the noise about at this hour?
Back inside, lady. This doesn't concern you.
Sorry about her, signori. Doesn't see so well anymore. She gets stuck.
Swear I could feel eyes on me the whole way here. How are you doing?
How do you think? All of this. It's hell.
Did you manage to get some sleep?
My eyes were closed. Don't know if you'd call it sleeping.
At least it's quiet here. Feels like I've been awake for days.
We're riding.
It's safer this way. We can take the back roads. Keep your eyes open. Those bastards could be hiding anywhere. Tino's got men posted up on the roads, in case they try to come and finish the job.
Smart. Padaro must smell blood.
Him and that figli puttana Fontanella. If they try it, they're not getting in easy. Tino's got the whole place set up like a garrison.
You've seen this before. In '96.
Not like this. I was a kid, and nobody tried to kill a Don back then. No. This is something else.
Don sent you out here, alone.
He's keeping things close. Doesn't want anyone else involved. Just you and me.
You know what this is about?
He didn't give me the details, but it's a job. Something big.
A job. Now.
What? If he asked us to go and bury every last Spadaro after what they did, would you say no?
No, it's not that. It's,
Good, because we're the only ones he trusts. If he needs something done, we do it. Together. You know what this means. With Luca gone, I'm going to have to step up. Do the right thing for the families.
Right.
Not the way I wanted it, but we have to answer when called. And be ready for whatever comes next.
I can't think about that now.
Well, someone has to. They don't need us, both of us. It makes sense me taking Luca's spot, but you have to be with me.
I'm here, aren't I?
It's a lot of responsibility, but I can grow into it. That's what they say happens.
Dealing with Tino every day.
Hey, he's kept things going up there. And he's not as bad as I used to think. Yeah. Me, my uncle and Tino at the top.
It's just you.
That's how it'll have to be. We'll need you too. Of course.
Hate seeing this place. Knowing he's not here just feels wrong to even think about... to do anything without Luca.
Keep expecting him to walk into the room. Break my balls for sitting around. Never thought I'd miss that. Don's waiting inside. Let's leave the horses with Gaspare.
Any trouble?
No. We kept off the main roads. All right. My uncle's waiting in the cellar. Let's go.
And Luca... he's in there?
They're keeping him here till the burial. Valentina doesn't want to take him home to the children. Not sure they even know yet.
Maybe I should go see her?
You can't do anything for her. Leave her be. We have business. You know, I've never seen my uncle like this. He has something dark behind his eyes. He's in here. Ready? He's here, Uncle.
Good. You made good. Sit. Now you.
But
I have something to discuss with Enzo. I won't say it again. Now see. Betrayal burns because it can only come from someone close. An enemy can't hurt you like a friend. In hell, the lowest circle is reserved for sinners, guilty of treachery. Fontanella's made a choice. And Spadaro won't stop now. He can't. All that I have, all that we have, will be lost. Unless we do what they can't expect.
I'll do anything. For Luca. For this family.
I know you would. Word has reached me that they're settling their deal in Palermo tonight. Out in the open at the opera. Just another gentleman's agreement. Those snakes think that I'm finished. That they've nothing to fear in the city. That they'd be so certain is an insult. We have a friend in Palermo. He can get you where you need to go.
I make those bastards pay. And then?
Then, do what you must to make it back here.
for your loyalty. This family will owe you a great debt. Go meet the driver. He'll take you to Palermo. Our friend will get you into the opera house. And close the door. I'll stay with Luca a while longer.
What are you doing down here?
What is he asking you to do?
Answer my question.
Answer mine.
I need to take care of something. I won't be gone for long.
I'm sure that's what Luca told Valentina. Let me guess. He wants you to go alone.
I can handle myself, Isabella. I have to do this. For Luca.
There is nothing you can do for Luca. Luca is gone. He died for my father, for his honor. I won't let you do the same. And so... I'm pregnant. I need you here, with me.
I have no choice. Your father is...
This would have been an easy decision for the man I thought you were.
Merda!
Seen anything yet?
Nothing. Doesn't mean they're not coming. Are you changing over?
Come here.
Soon as Bruno's
I need to
away.
talk to you.
Don't know how he can sleep at a time like this.
I'm ready to go. What happens when we get to Palermo?
We're going to meet a friend of the family. He'll get you into the opera house, quietly.
Understood.
Guardie will be all over the city. A lot of unrest right now. Anarchists, violence. So, we get in, you do your job, then we get out. That clear?
Certo.
Then let's go. You can ride up front until we get closer.
Close the window, would you? It's starting to rain.
Give me a minute.
Hurry up!
Oh, now look.
How is that my fault?
La Gazzetta di Palermo! Anarchists, terror reaches a new heights! Target the government, industry, the rich, the powerful. Where will this terror strike next?
Don Spadaro.
Was coming here really necessary?
One has to keep up appearances.
We're wasting time. I will finish what we started. You will stop stalling and sign Teresa's land over to me. Only then will you have your money. Have I misunderstood our arrangement?
Perhaps there is another way.
Aye, the time for second thoughts is long since past, Barone. Where I come from, commitment means everything. We are bound together, from now till the end. Cameriere, bring me a bottle. Something expensive.
Fermo, fermo.
Traveled far, my son, but you've made good time.
A gift. From Don Torrisi. For your congregation.
All things considered, I think the Don has underestimated the size of my flock. But that is for me and my old friend to worry about. Come on.
Where are we going?
Away from prying eyes. Streets are crawling with guardi.
I saw. Will they be a problem?
With the anarchist attacks, no public event takes place without the police presence. Not the best time for an evening at the opera.
I wouldn't be here if there was another option. But you have a way in? Unseen?
There are hidden pathways under Palermo that connect to the sewers. This is how you enter the opera house.
Sewers?
What? Thought you'd be walking in the back door? This way. Down here rest the dead of the city. The fortunate are preserved so that we may remember them. The rest are not so lucky. Either way, we are all just pawns in the end. Our path lay beyond here. Come, move this out of the way.
A priest with secret passages in his cellar.
I have not always been a priest. Come, this way.
Are you a friend of Don Torrisi?
I have commitments made a long time ago that I will honor till my last day. You understand?
What is this place?
These are the canals, ancient waterways that run under the city.
Does anyone else know about these?
Smugglers, anarchists, those of us who have business that can't be conducted in the open. It would seem the Baron's sins have caught up with him.
Do you know who I'm here for?
He made his choices, as we must. You should be warned. Him and his guest will be heavily guarded. Avoiding detection is your only hope. Someone must have come through here. This should be open.
Anyone we need to worry about?
No one down here is interested in our affairs. The gate opens from the other side. You'll need to go under.
Merda.
Hurry, go underneath.
Water's rising down here.
Yeah? The storm's getting heavier. Watch how you tread.
Cristo. What happened to you?
Over here, raise the gate. Good. Let's keep moving.
Father, may I ask you a question? Is it a sin to choose happiness over duty?
We all have many obligations, but we only find joy in the path the Lord has set for us. Wait! What was that? You go ahead and investigate. Do what you must, but hurry.
Merda.
Stinks like shit. Sooner we search it, sooner we can go home. Find Donati. He should be here already.
Yes, sir.
Donati, are you back here? Trust him to wander off.
No sign of anything down here. Wasting our time.
Those are the orders. Opera's a prime target.
That's 5 of us off the streets. Chasing shadows.
They got in the way, Father. Forgive me.
Bodies aren't even cold when he asks for forgiveness. That ladder leads to the basement of the Opera House. You better get moving. The performance is nearing its end. Listen carefully. The performance still has a way to go. The Baron will be seated in the royal box.
Where is that?
Opposite the stage, second floor. Just keep heading up, and you must approach in silence. If the Guardia are alerted, the Baron will be gone.
Thank you, Padre.
May the Lord guide you onward.
Sounds like the place.
Signore, you can't be back here.
What do you mean? This is our dressing room. There are no anarchists here.
Just do as you're told and get changed somewhere else.
Apparently, Father Fontanella has a guest this evening in the royal box.
Some rough-looking fellow. At least he hasn't broke that insufferable son of his.
She knows no Latin, but she can cook. Let the students say grace, and let us, too, kneel in prayer. If something were to happen to the battle, his watch, there's no coming back from that.
We'd all be ruined, too. Here's hoping those anarchist bastards take a night off.
I don't give a damn what happens to Fontanella. You know he has criminal connections.
So they say. I thought that was just all talk.
I forget how young you are, Vittorio. Just remember, no one is as they seem in this world.
Is that someone there? I was told there would be food. There's only music. So much music. Boo! Boo!
Signore,
Any more disturbance? You need to leave. This is strictly a Guardia operation.
We've been paid to be here. Don Spadaro's private security.
He should have informed us this would be the case.
You got a problem? Take it up with the boss himself. He'll be back soon.
People mourn him. Who the fuck would grieve for you?
You!
Get in there, now!
Go! Go!
You're dead! You won't get away with this, you bastard!
Force him out if I have to!
Kill that bastard! I'll end you, Spadaro!
Here I come! You better move!
He's coming after me! Stop him!
Where are you running? Fucking coward!
Please, I just want to go home. Heading over there. Yeah! In my sights!
Don't take him back! Hit him with everything! More than hell, Caruso!
Minchia!
Flush him out of cover! Arrows down!
Force him out if I have to! Force him out if I have to!
Don't let him follow!
Put the pressure on!
I'll get them out first.
I'm being followed. Coglione! You don't give up. I'm out! Reload! Coglione! You don't give up.
I just smoke out of that.
I should have known Torisi would send his favorite pet. You'll die for your loyalty, Caruso. Your boss won't care.
You want to kill me? Then face me!
You'll be right at home down here, mine red.
You can't run, Spadaro. Not from what you've done.
Merda!
That was your chance, bastante!
My men will make sure you die here! Kill him! Let him rot down here! Not going any further!
I just smoke out of that.
Push him into the open! Move him out of position! In my sights!
You know your father sold you to me for 100 lira? He got a good deal.
You don't remember him. Until I cut open your man's face, I was nobody to anyone. But now you know me.
Huh? Look at you. Has anything changed? You're 100 miles from that stinking pit you crawled out from, but still doing a master's bidding.
You killed Luca Trapani. And I'll make you answer for that. Nobody else.
So, come on then.
You've got balls, Minorette. I'll give you that. But this ends now.
It ends with...
Not so confident now, boy, huh? Nowhere to run. Shame. That's what you do best, isn't it?
I finish what I start!
Fucking Caruso. What do you have? No family, nothing.
You're the one dying alone down here. Not me.
He doesn't care if you make it, as long as he gets what he... Vaffanculo! Stop that, Caruso! Won't be that easy. You can't...
Big night, I gather.
What happened to him?
This Figibutana, well, he'll wake up far from here. Yet so sorry he won't remember his name.
He didn't need to get involved.
The Lord forgives. Don Torisi does not. Besides, he raised a weapon against a man of God.
What about the others?
Leave them to me. A few more corpses down here makes little difference. You're late to go.
Thank you, Padre.
Tell Bernardo he owes me. Get going.
Father, you should get these gates closed. There's been an incident. Entire district's being searched.
More of this anarchist menace?
It seems so. Baron Fontanello was murdered at the opera.
My God.
Seen or heard anything this evening?
Can't say I have.
Better secure these and get inside. Late hour for a delivery, no?
Loan from San Roberto's. Early mass. My idiot deacon caused quite the accident in the storeroom. You wouldn't believe the mess down there.
Sir, there's been a sighting.
Get going. And lock these gates, Father.
Hania!